If the rains that the country is receiving these days continue, water rationing in Mbabane and surrounding areas may be suspended and resume after 30 to 35 days. This was confirmed by Welcome Shabangu, the customer services manager at the Swaziland Water Services Corporation, during an interview with Swazi TV.
Since rain started falling the past weeks in the country, the Swaziland Water Services Corporation yet again suspended water rationing in Mbabane and surrounding areas. According to Welcome Shabangu from the Swaziland Water Services Corporation, water rationing will be suspended for about 30 to 35 days if it continues to rain. He says the Water Corporation took the decision to suspend it for now because the Mbuluzi River, where Mbabane sources water, is quite full. Therefore, they see no reason to continue to ration water for residents of Mbabane as well as surrounding areas. Shabangu emphasizes to say water rationing will not resume as yet so long as it continues raining.
And we've closed completely from the outtake of Hawane Dam. There's nothing going out from the dam. We've completely closed that valve that feeds into Mbuluzi. So now we are drawing water from Mbuluzi River. And indicators are that the volume that we're drawing from the river is enough for us to supply at full capacity. So we have not yet stopped the rationing. But due to the fact that we have enough water stock in Mbuluzi River, we have then said, let us produce full capacity and provide to our customers without rationing, because even if we were to ration the supply that we have, we would lose very, very big volumes of water that we draw from Mbuluzi River. So for that reason, we're not rationing. However, we are going to ration again if we notice that there is a decline, or whether with the rains stop coming through and there's a decline in that levels of our raw water source, especially in Mbuluzi, and then we'll start drawing from Hawane Dam. Currently the dam is sitting at about 10.2 dam height. That is about 15% capacity. If we were to say we are rationing and we're not consuming from Mbuluzi River, we would safely say that we have an estimate of about 30 to 35 days.
Shabangu says the rainfall was received countrywide.
I should also mention that the couple of weeks, as I said, we've been experiencing very good rains. We've experienced rains throughout the country. In our operation, we received reports that in Manzini, the Sushwana River is flowing good, and the water catchment there is okay. We are happy with the flows of the river. In Tlatikulu and Tlangano as well, we've got very good looking levels in our raw water sources. And also in Sitegi, in the past we've had a problem with Sitegi where our Mjoli Dam were dried up. Today we can report that today's level is at about 6.5%, and we're happy to report that we are almost getting stable.
He continues to urge members of the public to use water sparingly whilst water rationing is put on hold. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungelele Makakula with Solisan Mabuza at Zulwini.